Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I want to show you the advancement to your press up front here on your high chair, also known as your electric chair. So as I mentioned in the other video, technically this is not a separate exercise, it is part of the press up front. However, when I was creating the flashcards for onlinepilatesclasses.com, I did want to make sure that people knew that they could also just do the first version. Oftentimes we see the picture of what I'm about to do and we're like, I'll never be able to do that. But the first version, a lot of people can do, especially your strong beginners or your intermediates. So I definitely wanted to make sure that you knew you had access to at least part of this exercise and you can work up to the advancement part of it, right? So this part is just, it's not another variation, it's just part of the exercise. I will show you different ways you can practice getting ready for this. And if you are looking at the flashcards, you will see what exercises I put together for the one chair, armchair, mat, and reformer that all relate to this one, okay? So first, we always step on the floor, pull the pedal down so we don't smash any toes. Then, as I mentioned in the other video, you want to have your shoulders on your back, heels tight together, and you press up. And we would do our press up front without our shoulders getting in our ears or our wrists bending or elbows locking. We're not going forward to back, we're just trying to go up and down, right? And I'm still working on that part. Then you want to take your feet off. Now you can just practice by taking one foot off, lifting your chest. Oh, I went into my lower back a little bit. Not in a way that hurts, but just in a way that feels sunk. So I'm going to reach my tailbone long, lift my heart, and take the other leg back. And so I can just practice one leg at a time. Then when I'm ready, I like to close the spring first, reach my feet away, lift my heart, and then I beat the legs open and close without swinging back and forth. So it's not about where my head looks. I want my heart to lift up as I do those beats. Then feet come to the pedal, you lower yourself down. So step one foot to the floor, lift the pedal up to dismount. You can stay on the pedal, turn around to do reverse press ups, which I will show you in another video, as it is on another card. But with this one, it is the longest extension. Think even like your swan prep on the mat or you're swimming, you're just like up and you're long, so that it doesn't go about how close my toes and my head come together, but how long my spine can be, all right? Try that out. Let me know how it feels in your body in the comments below, and check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.